In recent years, the economic rise of China has been nothing short of remarkable. The country has transformed itself from a predominantly agricultural economy to one of the world's leading industrial and technological powerhouses. But how did China achieve this economic transformation, and what does it mean for the country's future? China's economic rise can be traced back to the late 1970s, when the country's leadership under Deng Xiaoping introduced market-oriented economic reforms. The reforms emphasized the importance of private enterprise and foreign investment, which paved the way for the rapid expansion of the country's manufacturing sector. China's manufacturing boom was driven by its ability to produce high-quality goods at a low cost, thanks to the country's large, skilled workforce and the availability of cheap raw materials. This made China an attractive destination for foreign investors looking to reduce their production costs. The Chinese government's support for its manufacturing sector also played a significant role in the country's economic rise. The government invested heavily in infrastructure, including highways, railways, and ports, which improved the efficiency of the country's logistics network. In addition, the Chinese government provided various incentives to encourage foreign investment, such as tax breaks and subsidies. These policies, coupled with China's abundant supply of low-cost labor, helped to create a highly competitive manufacturing environment that attracted multinational corporations from around the world. As China's manufacturing sector grew, the country also began to develop its technological capabilities. The Chinese government invested heavily in research and development, and the country's universities produced large numbers of highly skilled engineers and scientists. Today, China is a leading player in various technological fields, including artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and 5G technology. The country's dominance in these areas is expected to increase in the coming years as the Chinese government continues to invest in research and development. However, China's economic rise has not been without its challenges. The country's rapid industrialization has led to significant environmental problems, including air pollution and water scarcity. In addition, the country's reliance on exports has made it vulnerable to fluctuations in global demand, as was evident during the 2008 global financial crisis. Despite these challenges, China's economic rise has transformed the country and the world. China is now the world's largest economy in terms of purchasing power parity and is expected to continue to grow in the coming years. As China's economic power grows, it is likely to have a significant impact on the global economy and international politics. In conclusion, China's economic rise has been a remarkable achievement, driven by market-oriented economic reforms, government support for the manufacturing sector, and investment in research and development. While there have been challenges along the way, China's economic transformation has positioned the country as a leading player in the global economy and is likely to shape the future of the world.